Yeah. And what I know now is I should have just given him the ice cream. My day would have gone so much easier. Okay, I know. Uh, I know. When you open up uh, your zip file with the exam, you're going to have a folder with some shape files in it. So these are not the shape files that you're going to have, but they're going to look kind of like that. You're going to have either a CSV or a text file. You're going to have all of these, and you could start making your map because a lot of people do that, and then later try to get everything in their geodatabase. Inevitably you forget a piece. So the first thing I would do is open up my map. I would set my relative pathways, right? And then I would save my map in my folder, which is on my desktop. And so I can I can see that that went in my exam one folder, so good. You know, I've got everything where I need it. And then I would start moving that data. I would create my geodatabase, my feature data set, and I would start exporting that data in right now, and then make sure that I'm not connected to any shape files for the rest of the work. Now, at home, I was not able to go import multiple because I thought, well, I'm just going to import all of those features at once. So you can select them all. So I tried that and I got an error message. It wouldn't work. Okay, so then I went in, I thought, okay, well, heck, I don't care. I'm going to do them one at a time. So I selected this one. Um, it went to the geodatabase. I named it, and it still didn't work. So I thought, okay, this is a problem. So then I thought, okay, if I can't import into, I'm going to export. So I went over here to those shape files and I did data export. I had to go find the geodatabase, and I don't see it because this is set to save type as shapefile. So I had to change that in order to see my geodatabase. And now I want to make sure I get that inside the feature data set, and I named it state. And so here's a really important piece. Because I'm working in list by source, I can see now where things are coming from. And so that state I want to keep, and this state I can now remove. And so for me at home, when I did this, because I don't want to go reinstall ArcGIS right now, I just had to do it this way. Piece by piece. Now, if this works for you, it's pretty sweet, because then you can just add all of these. Oh shoot, which ones do I need? I need that, and I need buildings, and I need city intersect, and I need area. And I'm making sure it goes into the geodatabase, the feature data set, and I don't even have to rename them. If you can do it that way, it will do it all in one nice movement and you don't have to rename. But for some reason, mine wouldn't work, and I knew I could do it the other way. So you need, if you can't get them in there, uh, let's see what happened. And is anything happening?
See, like it would have only let me do one, and then one was in there. It wouldn't put any more in there. I don't know why.
How weird.
And I did exactly the same thing.
Yeah, yeah. So and that looks like it's done. Oh, there they are. And so some things in Esri have a nice time scale. So there they all are, and that was a lot easier than kind of doing it one by one. And then with this table, which is where do I have that table there? I'm going to export that. into the geodatabase. And it's on the desktop. And I'm going to open the geodatabase and put it there. Seriously, I guess I'm not. Am I not? Oh, output location. Yeah. Okay, so I want it to go into the geodatabase. So I'm going to click there. And now I'm going to name it. So some things you have to go all the way in. Some things you just have to go next to. And you kind of have to read what it's looking for. And so I can watch the progress there. Cool. And so if I refresh this, I can now see my, can't see my table. Can you guys see my, oh, there, nope. The table should be there. Why is the table not there? It shouldn't be in the featured data set. It should just be in the, maybe. Okay. Oh, there it is. So it says, oh, I sent it to the R drive. Whoops. Yeah, you got to be really careful where you send stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go put it back in here. Oh, that's so funny. I thought for sure. Okay. Save data. Look in there. Nope. Database table. Wow. This is being goofy. Okay. Yes, I want to put it there. And did it go anywhere? Yes, there it is. It's there. Okay. So it's in the right place. So now I can go through here and remove everything that is not in the geodatabase that I want to work with. And remove. Okay. So now I know that all of my data is in great shape. And then what I would do, because I don't want these shape files when you upload things to me, I would just delete them all. And if you screw up, you can get another copy of them on Moodle. But now you can go ahead and do the task, and you'll know that everything you need is in this folder. Your map, your MXD, your data, your featured data set. I've set relative pathways. I got everything in here. You're going to add your PDF to this when you're done. Let's see, export map as a PDF. Yep, yep. Except that the answers on the Word doc can be a separate folder. So there you go. Make sure your name is on that. If I refresh that, I guess it won't go inside. I guess it had, I thought they did in price, but I can't get it in here. So as long as you've got it. Nope. I thought she had it inside in hers. Am I wrong? Let's see. I'm going to import. I'm going to try again. Import rows. I'm going to import that. Okay. Spelling apparently doesn't count. Okay, it says, there, it did it. It did it. So maybe, I don't know, when I tried to export, it wouldn't go in there, but when I tried to import. So I can delete that, but I can't delete it because it was up there. Oh, I deleted everything. How nice is that? Okay, good. So there you go. Yeah, so now I'm really reassured that when I save this and close it, and I have this open, I can see that there's my map, there's my MXD, there's my geodatabase, and that me as the instructor, or is it I as the instructor? The instructor, whoever I happen to be, I should be able to open this MXD because you've set relative pathways. It'll pop open and everything is right there. Okay, so I know we've only done that a couple times, but I wanted you just to kind of see that import process because it can be a little tricky. Then you're just going to zip this and upload it. Okay.